In this video, I'll show you how to change your voice in OBS Studio. This is useful if you want to use a voice changer, audio filter, or different microphone sound in your recording or stream. First, open OBS Studio, look at the audio mixer at the bottom of the screen, find your microphone source. This might be called mic/aux, or whatever name you gave it. Click the three dots next to your microphone, then click Filters. This opens the filters window for your microphone. If you want to change how your voice sounds using OBS filters, click the plus button. You can add filters such as gain, compressor, noise suppression, noise gate, or VST plugin. For example, gain can make your voice louder or quieter. Noise suppression can reduce background noise. A compressor can help even out your voice volume. If you want a proper voice changer effect, you'll usually need a voice changer app or VST plugin. Install the voice changer or plugin first. Then go back to OBS. In the microphone filters window, click the plus button. Choose VST2 plugin if that is available, then select the plugin from the drop-down. Adjust the plugin settings until your voice sounds the way you want. Now make a short test recording. Listen back and check if the voice effect sounds right. If it sounds too strong, lower the effect inside the plugin or remove the filter. If you want to change to a completely different microphone, open Settings, click Audio, then change mic/auxiliary audio to the microphone or virtual voice changer device you want to use. Click Apply, then click OK.
And that's how you change your voice in OBS Studio. Hope that helps.